Good morning, student. A very warm welcome to all of you. Today we will do Vyanjan. Today we will learn how to write formation of Vyanjan. So listen the carefully sounds of it. Okay. Firstly, you will write here K. How to write K? Listen to the sound of its K. Speak and write K. Make a standing line. Firstly, you will make a standing line, draw a standing line on the left side. On the left side, make a circle, half circle up and half circle down. Touch on the center point again and join it with standing line. From center of standing line, make a curve like this. What is this curve? Firstly, draw standing line, circle, touch on the center and make a curve. Curve. Speak and write curve. Next, curve. How to write curve? Listen to the sound very carefully. Curve. Make a standing line. Firstly, draw a standing line. In the center, make a small circle like this. Okay. Then make a half standing line, turn and go slant down, touch the line. Okay, like this, turn, go upward and touch the standing line. Next, G. Make a standing line. Again make a standing line. Okay, but not touch with this line. Put your pencil here and go slant. Okay, touch this line and make a sleeping line. G. Speak and write G. Next, G. Firstly, you will draw a standing line. Okay, make a like this small C, like this semicircle. Again make a small like this and go upward and touch this standing line. बेटा आपने इसको घ को नीचे जो सेकेंड सेमी सर्कल है उसे नीचे नहीं टच करना है. घ आफ्टर अड़. फर्स्टली यू विल ड्रॉ standing line. Okay, firstly draw a standing line like this. Okay, small standing line. Make a sleeping line. Turn on this line. Again turn, touch with line and go up. Okay, dot. Ada. Next, ch. Look at the formation carefully. Look at my hand movement. Make a standing line. Sleeping line. On this point, put your pencil and little bit go back, turn and touch and go up. Ch. Okay. Ch after ch. How to write ch? Firstly, make a semicircle. Put your pencil here, little bit go back, touch the third line and go up and fold. Make a small loop. Ch. Ch after j. How to write j? Make a standing line. Sleeping line like this. Put your pencil here and go. Sleeping line. Make a sleeping line. Go little bit back and turn. Make a semicircle like this. Go up slant. J. Next, J. Make a standing line. Small standing line. Turn sleeping line like this on it and turn and make a small loop and extend this line, touch with line and make a sleeping line. J. Next, Ia. Firstly make a standing line, little bit small sleeping line. Put your pencil here and like this round, turn around and go up. Ia. Okay. Next, T. How to write T? Small standing line, sleeping line, turn around and go down, slant and turn. T. Next, T. Make a small standing line. Firstly, you will make sleeping line, turn and go down, touch with line and go up, th. Th after d. Make a small standing line, sleeping line, turn and go up, d. Dh. Small standing line, sleeping line and turn and go down and make a small loop, dh. Next, ana. Next right here, ana. Make a standing line. Okay. Next, make a standing line like this. Okay. आपने नीचे नहीं टच करना इसे. Turn and go up like this. Okay. Next, त से तरबूज. Listen to the sound carefully. T. Make a standing line. How to write T? Firstly, you will make a standing line. Put your pencil here and make a sleeping line and turn around and go down slant. T. Check the formation carefully. Speak and write. Firstly, you will make a standing line. Okay. And then आपने स्लीपिंग लाइन के नीचे ओनली स्टैंडिंग लाइन लगानी है. हाँ, स्टैंडिंग लाइन इस लाइन के ऊपर नहीं आएगी. ओके. स्लीपिंग लाइन इसके ऊपर नहीं आती है. वो हमारा लेटर जो वर्ड है वो रोंग हो जाता है व्यंजन. टर्न एंड गो डाउन एंड टर्न अ कर्व एंड टच विद इट एंड मेक अ स्मॉल लूप. थ. ओके. नेक्स्ट, द. Small standing line, sleeping line, turn round and go down, stop on this point, make a small loop and extend this line. आपने इस लाइन को बढ़ा देना, एक्सटेंड कर देना और यहाँ टच करना है. द. नेक्स्ट, ध. Make a standing line. Firstly, you will make a standing line here. Firstly, you will make a small loop like this and turn like this C. Make a small C or semicircle. Okay. Back again, make a semicircle. Go upward and touch with standing line. ध. ध के भी सेम एज इट. जो स्लीपिंग लाइन है वो स्टैंडिंग लाइन के ऊपर ही आएगी. ध. नेक्स्ट, न. स्पीक एंड राइट न. हाउ टू राइट न? मेक अ स्टैंडिंग लाइन, स्लीपिंग लाइन. ओके. Like this. Go down slant and go straight up. No. Next, per. How to write per? Firstly, you will make a standing line. Okay. Firstly, you will make a. Okay. Next, in the next step, you will make a second standing line like this. Okay. In this standing line, make a curve, a slight curve to this line. Make a curve like this, turn around and touch with standing line. Per. Okay. Next, fur. Firstly, you will make a per like this. Firstly, you will make a per. Okay. Touch on this point and first make per. पहले हम per बनाएंगे from the center of the standing line. From the center of the standing line, make a curve like this. Make a curve which goes downward toward the standing line. कि हम कर्व बनाएंगे जो स्टैंडिंग लाइन की तरह ही टुवार्ड नीचे जाएगी. ओके. फ. नेक्स्ट, ब. फर्स्टली मेक अ स्टैंडिंग लाइन. इन दिस सेंटर पुट योर पेंसिल, मेक अ सर्कल, हाफ सर्कल अप, हाफ सर्कल डाउन एंड टच इट. ओके. एंड नेक्स्ट स्टेप, इन दिस सेंटर, in the circle center, make a slanting line. Okay. B. Next, B. Firstly, you will make a standing line. Put your pencil here, touch the line and down, turn down, make a standing line, go up slant and sleeping line. B. Same as it. B की भी जो standing line है उसके ऊपर ही line आएगी. Okay. Sleeping line. Next, M. Make a standing line, again standing line, go up, slant, sleeping line. M. Next, Y. Firstly, make a standing line, half standing line and turn, make a curve, turn, go up to upward and touch with standing line here. Next row, half standing line, turn and go slant, row. Next L, make a slanting line, put your pencil here, turn around like this, move back and turn and go slant, L. Next V, make a standing line, put your pencil here, make a circle, half circle up, half circle down, touch on the center, V. Next Sh, make a standing line, half standing line and turn and go slant and make a small loop, Sh. Next Sh, firstly make a standing line, okay, again standing line, like firstly you will make P, okay. Next, in the next step, in this center, make a slanting line, put your pencil here and touch with standing line like this, Sure. Next S, make a standing line, okay, half standing line, turn and go slant, sleeping line, S. Next H, like this, make a small standing line, sleeping line, turn on this line and turn, move back like this, stop and turn and go slant, H. Next Akshar, firstly you will make a standing line, okay, and in next step make a sleeping line, go up, turn as like this, cut on this point and turn and make a small loop and extend this line, Akshar. Next Tra, make a standing line, put your pencil here and turn and touch with in the center with standing line and go slant, now Tra, okay. Next formation of gear, speak and write gear, make a standing line, sleeping line like this, make a sleeping line and turn like this, gear. Next Shra, make a standing line, sleeping line, okay, turn, make a curve, fold it, small loop and turn and go down like this now, okay, and in this point go slant, Shra, okay. आपने पहले स्लीपिंग लाइन लगानी है, मेक अ स्मॉल लूप, कट ऑन दिस पॉइंट, गो स्लैंट एंड मेक अ सेकंड स्लैंटिंग लाइन, Shra, okay. Next do this work in your notes and together you have to practice by writing again and again on the notebook. Thank you student, have a good day.